Welcome back everyone. In this lecture, we will be learning about while loops. Now I'll explain the concept of while loops with an example. So check out this program. First, we enter the value of I from the user. Then we have our while loop syntax here. So this is how the while loop works. To use the while loop, we use the while keyword. We start two brackets. Inside the brackets, we provide our condition. In this case, the loop will run as long as the value of I is greater than 5. Alright. Now what happens inside the loop is that it will print the current value of I, then subtract 1 from it. So, in case you have provided the number 10, first it will print 10, then it will subtract 1 from it, that means it will become 9, then it will print 9, then 8, then 7, then 6, and it will stop there because 5 is not greater than 5, 5 is equal to 5. So, the while loop only works as long as the condition inside this bracket is true. So let's run this program and you'll have a clear idea. So we have to enter our number. Let it be 10. And you can see the output screen. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First the value is 10. It will print that value 10. Then it will subtract 1 from it. And it will check if that number is greater than 5. That means it will check if 9 is greater than 5. Yes, 9 is greater than 5. So it will print 9. Then that I value will be subtracted by 1 again. So that I value will become 8. And it will check if 8 is greater than 5. Yes, 8 is greater than 5. So it will print 8. And then subtract 1 from it. So our I value will become 7. Then it will check if 7 is greater than 5. Yes, 7 is greater than 5. So it will print 7 also. And make it 6. And it will compare again if 6 is greater than 5. Yes, 6 is greater than 5. So it will print 6 and make the value of I 5 now. So the current value of I is 5. So it will check if 5 is greater than 5. Is 5 greater than 5? No, 5 is equal to 5. That means our condition inside the while loop is false. So our loop will stop working there and we'll get the final output 10, 9, 8, 7 and 6. So that is how the while loop works. I'll explain it once again. To use the while loop, we use the while keyword. Inside the bracket, we provide our condition. Use a full colon. Make sure you provide this tab space. Now, inside the loop body, you can provide whatever you want. And the loop body will keep on getting executed as long as the condition inside the while loop is true. This may be a little bit overwhelming at beginning, but as we write more programs using iteration statements, this concept will be very much clear to you. So for now, this is all you need to know. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.